Hi, friends! Today, we're going to play a game called Guess the Shadows of Sharks. Are you ready to dive in and discover these incredible sharks? Let's go! Let's start with this shadow. What shark could this be?
Tiger shark.
Yes, it's a tiger shark. Can you find the tiger shark shadow in here? Nope, not that one. Try again. Not quite. Yes, that's the one. Tiger shark. Tiger sharks have stripes on their sides just like a tiger. They're fierce hunters of the ocean. All right, here's the next shadow. What shark could it be?
Basking shark.
That's right. It's a basking shark. Can you find the basking shark shadow? Oh, close, but not quite. Not that one. Try again. Yes, there it is. Basking shark. Basking sharks are gentle giants. They swim with their huge mouths open to catch tiny sea creatures. Here comes another shadow. Do you know what shark this is?
Great white shark.
Yes, it's the great white shark. Now, can you find the great white shark shadow here? Almost, but that's not it. Not that one. That's the one. Great white shark. Great white sharks are powerful hunters with sharp teeth and a keen sense of smell. Let's try this shadow. What shark do you think it is?
Hammerhead shark.
Yes, it's a hammerhead shark. Can you find the hammerhead shark shadow? Not that one. Try again. Almost. Yep, that's the one. Hammerhead shark. Hammerheads have a wide, hammer-shaped head to help them find food in the sand. Here's the next shadow. What shark could it be?
Lemon shark.
Yes, it's a lemon shark. Now let's find the lemon shark shadow. Almost. There you go. That's it. Lemon shark. Lemon sharks are yellowish and like to stay in warm waters close to the shore. All right, here's a tricky one. What shark do you think this shadow belongs to?
Goblin shark.
Yes, it's the goblin shark. Can you spot the goblin shark shadow here? Nope, that's not it. Try again. Yes, that's the one. Goblin shark. Goblin sharks have a long, flat snout and sharp teeth. They live deep in the ocean and look a bit spooky. Ready for the next one? Look at this shadow. What shark do you think this is?
Leopard shark.
That's right. It's a leopard shark. Now, can you find the leopard shark shadow? Not quite. Not that one. Yes, you got it! Leopard shark. Leopard sharks have spots on their skin, just like a leopard. They're gentle and like swimming in shallow water. Here comes another shadow. Can you guess what shark this is?
Zebra shark.
Yes, it's a zebra shark. Now, can you find the zebra shark shadow? Not that one. Try again. Yes, there it is. Zebra shark. Zebra sharks start with stripes like a zebra when they're young, but as they grow, they get spots instead. Here's the next shadow. What shark do you think it is?
White tip shark.
That's right. It's a white tip shark. Can you find the white tip shark shadow? Almost, but not quite. Try again. Yes, that's it. White tip shark. White tip sharks have white tips on their fins and are often seen exploring coral reefs. All right, this one's a strong swimmer. What shark could this shadow be?
Bull shark.
Yes, it's a bull shark. Now let's find the bull shark shadow. Close, but not it. go. That's the one. Bull shark. Bull sharks are powerful and can live in both fresh and salt water, making them super special. Check out this shadow. What shark do you think it could be?
Blacktip reef shark.
Yes, it's the blacktip reef shark. Can you find the blacktip reef shark shadow here? It's not that one. Yes, that's the one. Blacktip reef shark. Blacktip reef sharks have black tips on their fins and love swimming around coral reefs. All right, last one. Look at this shadow carefully. What shark could it be?
Nurse shark.
That's right. It's a nurse shark. This is a very easy one for you, friends, because it's only one spot left now. Can you find it? Yay! You found it! Well done! Nurse shark. Nurse sharks are gentle and spend a lot of time resting on the ocean floor. Wow! You did an incredible job guessing all the shark shadows. Thanks for joining us in Guess the Shadows of Sharks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun video. See you next time. Bye-bye!